Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 两. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 两. Means two, both, some. For example, 2天 2 days. 2天 2 days. For example, you still have 2 more days before the exam. You still have 2 more days. You still have 2 more days before the exam. 距离考试还有2天的时间。距离考试还有2天的时间。距离考试还有2天的时间。2 more days. 时间。You still have 2 more days before the exam. 距离考试还有2天的时间。My casual handwriting on 2. 2 2 both some 2天 2 days. You still have 2 more days before the exam. 距离考试还有2天的时间。2. Please comment any sentence with the character 2. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.